Hi Blender fans and welcome to Blender TTC. In today's tutorial we're going to actually make a super quick pumpkin, so let's just delete the tube, and what we're going to do is add in a mesh, and the mesh we're going to add in is a circle. What we'll do then is go into edit mode, go to select, and we're going to go to checkered deselect. S to scale, and just scale that down like so. Press A to select all. E and Z just to actually make this kind of shape, and we've got basically our pumpkin now already, although you don't know it. What I'm going to do now is actually go on to line select. You've got point select, line select and face select. Select a line, Control R, fix that by pressing the right click, S to scale, and we're just going to quickly and easily S to scale. What I did there is Control and R just to subdivide it, Control and R and S, and I'm quickly making a pumpkin shape, and E and S and G and Z just to move it down, E and S to scale, G and Z just to move this up, like that, just to get the basic shape, E and S to scale, G and Z just to move it up. And what I'm going to do is E and Z, so I'm extruding in the top direction, and then I'm going to go E and S to scale, E and S to scale, and then F to fill. Then selecting a line down here, Control and R, cut this into a few cuts depending on what you want to do. And next but not least, I'm just going to press the Alt key down and select this line around the edge. Go into proportional editing and G and X just to actually give my pumpkin a little bit of shape, and then just to finish off the bottom, same again, pressing the Alt key down, select a line, E and S to scale, G and Z just to move it up because it's that kind of shape, E and S, and then just fill the bottom end. So we've got our basic pumpkin shape, and all we need to do to actually finish it off is hit the spanner arrange, add a modifier, subdivide surface, up it to 2, shade smooth. And then just to finish this off, I'm just going to add 2 colours into it. One's going to be an orange, like that. And if we go into the viewport shading, as you can see, that's now orange. Add a new colour, orange. Add a new colour, make this a green, maybe a darker green. I'm just going to call it green. Select this top face, plus, 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 until it gets to about there. And then just assign the green. So got our pumpkin. I'll just grow that selection just one more time and assign it. So we've got ourselves a quick pumpkin. Just apply all the modifiers. And last but not least, go to proportional editing up here and just grab a face and just distort it slightly, just to make it look like every shop bought pumpkin, and that there's a bit of distortion to them. It's entirely up to you how much you distort things. So that is, I've made myself a Halloween pumpkin in very little time. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel.